Anyways, I'm gonna come over there and we're gonna set up your passwords and make sure everything's straight. I understand, Chris, and there's a fucking authenticator on my phone, and I'm pretty sure we can get it done in like 5 minutes. But
all right. So again, what up, baby? I hope you're healthy, family. Let you know you are my favorite YouTuber. Well, thank you, man. We're trying to get the YouTube back signed in. You're a fat streamer as well. Wait, a question.
I think that it would be right for us to I don't know. Maybe he suggested that we should reimburse this person, but
You removed the claim, right?
But I feel like Fatty is a bit more of an earned name for me, you know? And not even about my weight. It's about, I don't know, just it feels more earned. Like I put the work in for that name. Even if I were to never get into my channel again, that would literally be my preferred name.
if it accepts the claim, why the fuck should I do that? It's a valid claim at that point. But we're gonna retract those strikes. We just want a copyright ID claim, and those are like kind of like I don't give a shit. There is going to be a time where eventually everyone who causes issues is completely gone, whether or not it is